Welcome. Wherever you are right now, I'd like to invite you to take a few minutes just for yourself. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to solve anything. For these next few moments, your only job is to simply be here. If it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze toward the floor. And take one slow, comfortable breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathing in and letting go. Notice that your body has been carrying you through the day. Whether you've been working, studying, caregiving, parenting, helping others, or simply trying to keep up with everything life has asked of you. You've been carrying a lot. For just these few minutes, you don't have to carry quite as much. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Let your hands rest comfortably. Notice the chair supporting you. Notice your feet touching the floor. Allow yourself to arrive in this moment. And as you breathe naturally, simply notice your breath. You don't need to change it. Just notice the gentle movement of air entering and leaving. If your mind begins to wander, which minds naturally do, that's okay. You might notice thoughts about work, things left unfinished, notifications, appointments, people who need something from you, plans, memories, what if thoughts. And simply notice that your mind has wandered, and gently return your attention to your breath. Not because those thoughts aren't important, but because they'll still be here in a few minutes. Right now, you're giving your brain something it doesn't often receive. A moment with nothing new to process, nothing to remember, nothing to organize, nothing to solve. Just this breath and this moment. Imagine that each exhale is allowing a little bit of tension to leave your body. Not all of it. You don't have to let go of everything. Just a little. With every breath out, allow yourself to soften. Notice any sounds around you. Notice the temperature of the room. Notice the feeling of your clothing against your skin, simply observing, nothing to change. If your thoughts appear again, greet them with kindness. You might silently say, "I'll come back to you later." Then gently return your attention to this breath. Before we finish, take a moment to thank yourself. In a busy world that constantly asks for your attention, you chose to give yourself 5 minutes. That matters. Take one final slow breath in and slowly breathe out. And when you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders, and slowly open your eyes. And as you continue with your day, remember, recovery doesn't always require hours. Sometimes it begins with a single mindful pause.